Hey everybody, welcome back to Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. Today we are doing steaks in the air fryer. I hope you will enjoy today's recipe. Be sure and give me a thumbs up, share, like, and subscribe. Let's get started on today's video. Okay, so today what we are doing is some little steaks in the air fryer. I am using the Power XL air fryer. Now, one of my most popular videos to date that I've done on YouTube has been my venison steak in the air fryer. So let's see if we can duplicate that, because that video has gotten over 3,000 hits. So what we're going to do with this, I am going to crack a little black pepper on this. And then I'm going to put a little sea salt. Did I see sea salt? Seasons all. I'm going to hit both sides. Now I like to keep my steak very simple. You know, I like to let my meat kind of speak for itself. Doesn't need a lot. You know, people can do it, just, I think, overdo steak. I'm going to spray my air fryer, and then I'm just going to lay it in the bottom of my air fryer. Load it up. And then my air fryer has a meat setting. And we're going to hit that. We're going to let it go. Now, it naturally sets it for 30 minutes. We're not going to cook it near that long. I'm going to let these go for about 10 minutes, and then we're going to flip them over. And then I've got a meat thermometer, and we're going to check it, because everybody in my family likes their steak cooked a different way. So I'm going to show you how we're going to do this. So we'll be back in 10 minutes. Okay, so these are small steaks. I'm going to go ahead and turn these over about the 6-minute mark. And that looks to be about right, because I don't want to overcook these. We're going to turn these over. And they're looking good. I'm going to cook these for about 5 more minutes, and then we'll temperature check these. So I'll see you back in about 5 minutes. Okay, I'm going to do our first temperature check. My first steak here. Is 163. So these are definitely done. All right. So this is the next little thing I like to do. All 3 steaks are definitely done. Probably 2 done for my husband, but you know, these were little steaks. So I'm going to take them out. And this is, for me, the best part. I have made up some garlic butter with some roasted garlic. And I'm just going to dollop a little bit on each steak. And I'm just going to let this melt down over the steaks and let them rest. You want to let your steaks rest for, you know, about 5 minutes or so, at least, and let all your juices reincorporate. Don't cut them too soon. All your juices will just run out. So just leave them alone if you can stand it. Usually my husband gets way too impatient, wants to cut them too soon. So anyway, thank you for joining us today on Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. I hope you will utilize your air fryers. They make great steaks. If you can't cook out on the grill, use your air fryer. They make wonderful steaks. So anyway, thank you for joining us today on Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. We'll see you guys on the next video.